So there's the cover story everywhere. This entire street is old world, mud flooded. The Masonic falsehood. This is what the town looked like. As we walk up this lane, it'll be pretty much obvious where the water and mud flowed down. As you can see, it's all uneven on street level. This is where the everyday people would have lived in the old world. In these solid stone terrace houses. Places like this. Your craftsmen, stonemasons, blacksmiths. And here's a good example of where pebble dashing has been laid over to completely hide the look of the building. You see at that cut-off point. Now there's some serious mud flooding here because it's right next to the river, so they would have got the worst of it. And there we have it. So the mud flood must have really just flown, just come down here and completely buried these terraces. And they all lost their homes. And it's like these incredible stone walls are just everywhere. Well, really keen to remind you. It's nice bit of old red brick, all different colours. Yeah, just a town for wild tribesmen and sheep farmers. It's this whole subterranean level you've got. And look, that archway in the old door. Perfectly good old building, just being boarded up. Hijacked by the controllers, no use for it at the moment. What a fantastic building. Could be used for someone's home. It's another chapel. Well, how's that for a corner? And it was not built like that. And it's like half the building is sunken into the ground. Derelict. Probably used to be somewhere where a workshop full of life and industry. And yet another whole building left to go derelict and forgotten about. I mean, that's only the top third of this building showing above street level. Look at that. See how all the buildings connect to the stone walls. Sorry. This line of buildings, one solid block of masonry. Being left empty during this reset. See, that would have been hoisted up there later. Nothing to do with the original building. The insignia of King Charles and the English influence. Old to the new. It's a cover for drug dealing. Windows at street level. This must have been almost the first floor. Not bad for wild warriors and peasants and sheep farmers. You're not going to tell me the early Victorians built it all. I mean, you just don't see stonework like that nowadays, using chunks that big. And that's standard, that was everywhere then. And the quality went without saying. And there go the constant daily heart attack inducing sirens that the Welsh police are inflicting on the public to cause chaos and confusion.